Hi, it's day 12 since Padme's first day of standing heat. We've been out enjoying the nice weather, playing some fetch, although Obie's mostly been observing and chewing on sticks since Padme always gets the ball first. You can see my racket that I use to save my shoulder and elbow from being worn out by Padme's enthusiasm for the game. So she's not showing many changes. She's behaving like her old self. We've broken her feedings up into a morning and an evening feeding, and she's getting her vitamins every day and plenty of exercise. So we'll continue to keep you updated. See you soon.